Hello, my lovelies. I hope you're all doing well. It's been a minute since I've got on here to do a proper video. I've been suffering from the worst allergies ever. I could not smell, I couldn't taste my food. I've been just straight up miserable. And I don't know if any of you guys have experienced like really bad allergies this year. I feel like this year has been so much worse than last year. Last year I didn't have to take any allergy medicines, nothing. And lately this year I've been doing nasal spray, Claritin D, and just blowing my nose like every 5 seconds. It's just been horrible, and I just do not wish that on anyone. It's, you can't sleep because you can't breathe through your nose. So I've been breathing through my mouth, which dries up my mouth, and I have to it just wakes me up. And I've been just basically super miserable. So I couldn't talk to you guys because I couldn't smell, I couldn't do any of the fragrance contents and videos that I wanted to do. So I've been dying, but now I am slowly getting back to normal. I can taste my food again. I can smell. I'm still a bit nasally, but I think every day I'll just keep getting better and better. Fingers crossed. So with that out of the way, with all the ranting and complaining out of the way, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. It's spring. It's, the flowers are blooming, the leaves are budding, and it's just like, yes, springtime is here, which is bad for my allergies, but I'm just loving the warmer weather. So for today's video, I want to take you guys with me to fragrance shopping in Manhattan, basically. I'm gonna hop on a bus and go to Manhattan, New York City, to just see if I can get any new niche fragrances and just add it to my collection. I've been just buying Arabic fragrances and like designer fragrances, but I want to check out Bergdorf Goodman. I want to go to Saks, just kind of browse around to see what niche fragrances are out there that I haven't gotten my nose on, and I just want to check everything out. Now that I can smell, I want to smell everything. So, and being that it's such a beautiful day today, all the more I want to be out and about and just, walk around the city and enjoy this beautiful weather. Because I already took my allergy medicine, so I think I should be good to go. So let's have some coffee and let's go fragrance shopping. Guys, so just got to the city. I'm walking towards Zara. I need to make a pit stop at Zara because they recently came out with 4 new fragrances, 2 of which was created with perfumer Jordi Fernandez. So I really want to get my nose on it. But there's not in stock in the Zara I usually go to, so I have to come into New York City to go to that particular Zara. They have it there. So yeah, gonna check it out. So guys, it's been a while since I stepped foot in Saks Fifth Avenue, and everything looks so different. Like the lights and the decor. I don't know how I feel about it. But my first stop is at Galan, and there's so many new fragrances, or fragrances I've never smelled before, so I went crazy here. But I did smell the Vanille Planifolia, and trust me, Vanilla Aura, the exact same. Like, it's so close. And also I smelled the Tonka Sarabia, which I'm a fan. Love, but I just can't justify the price tag. It's just too expensive for a freaking bottle of juice. So yeah. And Loewe has got some interesting fragrances. They're not bad. Definitely mostly clean. And oh, Balmain, I love Carbone. And also the newest one, the raspberry, I think is the pink one. So yeah, overall not bad. And oh my god, Creed, the newest Creed, it's Delina. It's really good.
Sold out for a while, so we have a solution type of people. So I people live in line to spend $50,000. You tell them like
These dates we're here, this date we're getting the car, so it's not cheap. I think we got tickets for so yeah, it's a little bit looser. I mean, I'm just like, I don't want to go, like when you go on a cruise or something, it's like right next week, you get off, do a tour, and come back. I don't know.
Hey guys, so I am currently in Bryant Park. I just got done shopping and my whole body smells like different perfumes. But good news is I did score some fragrances from Zara. The one I was telling you guys about, the Amber Affogato by Jordi Fernandez, and the other one is Golden Chai. And I know it's a different perfumer that did this, so I want to unbox it with you guys here in Bryant. So let's unbox it. So now this is the Amber Affogato by Jordi Fernandez. So I really hope I like it because I don't think Zara has like a return policy on their fragrances. So we shall see. Okay. Let's see here. What? Okay. Amber Affogato. This is such blind buy, so you know what? I'm gonna spray it on skin. I like it. Definitely get the coffee note and the amber. Ooh, it is a very sexy fragrance. Blind buy success on this one. And look how cute. I love this. The cat. Okay. So this, I would give it an 8.5 out of 10. Now, for the Golden Chai, this one I was a little scared because I saw Fragrantica and some people were saying that this smells like curry. So yeah, this got me super nervous, but let's see. Open sesame. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Okay. Golden Chai.
It looks better than that. But it's still, it's like an interesting thing.
Alright. I'm really running out of real estate, so I hope it doesn't smell like curry.
This is grown on me. It's not what I was expecting, but I like it. I'll eat half of the bite of that. Wait, I don't want to give it people.
It has the cardamom and the chai latte note. It's not bad, but I prefer the Amber Avocado way more than this. This is like a dry, spicy chai latte. Good for daytime, but in the colder months. Okay. This one I would give it like a 7 out of 10. Yeah. Like I would have to be in the mood for this one. So as far as niche fragrance go, I was able to find the one that I really like from Virgil Goodman and show you what it is. It is vanilla powder from Matière Première. This is my very first one from this fragrance house, and let's unbox it. This is not a new fragrance, it's just that, you know, I've tried so many different houses. Nothing really jumps out at me. And, you know, with me being a vanilla girly, this, when I smelled it, yeah, I just fell in love. So, look at this juice. It's so cute. Alright, I have no more real estate on my skin to spray it, so I'm going to spray this here, right on the box. Oh, that's pretty. It's like vanilla powder with coconut, like coconut powder. It smells amazing. Amazing, amazing. This is like 9.5 out of 10. I love it. And it's not super strong, so it's like perfect for spring and summer. Oh, God, I want to spray it on my skin. Alright, hold on. Hold on. Yeah. Success. I'm now gonna go catch my bus back home, and I would say overall it was a success. I was able to get the fragrance that I want at Zara, and also I was able to score a niche fragrance. But yeah, so overall a very good day, and I have 3 new fragrances that I am now adding to my collection. Beautiful day also. I'm just so happy that everyone's out. The weather's amazing, and yeah, I hope you all enjoy the rest of the weekend, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.